everyone, welcome to Creative Learn channel. Now I am going to continue the exercise from bigger numbers chapter. Here is the next question, 15th question. Okay. In the number 5678, what is the difference between the place values of 5 and 7? Okay. In the number 5678, what is the difference between the place values of 5 and 7? Okay. First of all, what is place value? Let's write here. Given number. The given number is 5678. Okay. Now, what is place value of 8? Place value means nothing but place value is equal to face value into place. Okay, place value means face value into place. Face value means same the digit only. Okay, now face value means nothing but the value of digit only, face value. For example, here in the ones place 8 given. So what is the face value of 8? 8 only. And what is the face value of 7? 7. What is the face value of 6? 6. Face value of 5? 5. Any digit we take, face value of the digit is same digit only. And what about place? Place is nothing but, we know already, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousand place. These are called places. Okay. For example, what is the place of 8? It is ones place. What is the place of 7? Tens place. What is the place of 6? It's 100 place. And what is the place of 5? It's 1000 place. Okay. If we want place value, we have to multiply the face value and place. For example, what is the place value of 8? Means face value 8 into place. Place is nothing but ones place. So ones place means we can denote with 1. So 8 ones 8. What is the place value of 8 in this number? 8. What is the place value of 7? If we take 7, face value of 7 is 7 into what is the place of 7? 7 lies in the tens place. So tens place means 1 0 tens place. 7 tens 70. What is the place value of 7? It's 70. Okay, now move to the solution. Here simply I am writing formula in small box. Place value. Place value is equal to face value into place. Okay, this is the formula. Let's write the solution. So what's the question here? Difference between the place values of 5 and 7. First of all, we have to identify the place values of 5 and place value of 7. Let's write. The place value of 5 is, place value means face value into place. So face value is 5 into, what is the place of 5? Ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. 1000 place, so into 1000. Now, place value of 5 is 5 into 1000, 5000. Next, place value of 7. The place value of 7 is, place value is face value into place. Face value 7. So 7 into 7 in which place? Tens place. So into 10. 7 tens 70. 70 means 0 right in the ones place and 7 right in the tens place. Now in the question, what he asked? He asked about difference between these two. Let's do the subtraction. Difference between the place values of 5 and 7 is, do the subtraction. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. And here 0 minus 7, not possible. Take the borrow. From here to here we got 10. Now from here to here again take borrow. Now it becomes 9 and here 10. 10 minus 7, 3, and here 9 remains. And what about here? 1 already borrowed, no? So here remains 4. 4. So what is the required number? 4930 is the required answer. Okay. Difference between the place values of 5 and 7 is 4930. Next, 16th question. Subtract the smallest 3-digit number from the largest 4-digit number. It's so easy. Smallest 3-digit number, largest 4-digit number. First of all, what is the smallest 3-digit number and largest 4-digit number? We have to write. Largest 4-digit number is, okay, while we have to write largest 4-digit number, we have to take the largest digit. So what is the largest digit? That is 9. And here clearly mentioned 4-digit number. So write 9 4 times. This is the largest 4-digit number. Now smallest 3-digit number. Right. Smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is, smallest 3-digit number. Smallest number means we have to take smallest 3-digit number means ones place 0, tens place 0. In the 100 place we have to take smallest digit. So that is 1. It is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay. What is the smallest 3-digit number? That is 100. And largest 4-digit number 9999. Now do the subtraction. Difference smallest 3-digit number largest 4-digit number. Please do the subtraction. 9 minus 0, it's 9. Again 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8 and 9. So what is the difference between the smallest 3-digit number and largest 4-digit number? That is 9899 is the required answer.
ఈ వీడియోను వీక్షించినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మా తదుపరి వీడియోలను వీక్షించడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ and subscribe.